Yo, what is up guys? This is Hadi from HadiTech back with another video. In today's video guys, we're gonna be showing you a legit way to make money online from the comfort of your home. Now, I know a lot of you are just been on the lookout for remote jobs that you can do from your home, and you want to actually have a decent job that does not require much experience, right? And I know a lot of you have been struggling with that. You actually send your application, maybe get refused, declined, whatever the case might be, and you just been in a constant loop where you just cannot land a job. And if that's the case, then this is the perfect video for you. Now, our website that we will be covering today is called Turing, and it's one of the best legit website that I've discovered in the past 2 months to make some serious income. Now let's just stop and go to the payment section and start addressing the elephant in the room, which is the payment right away, because I know a lot of people are interested in that more than anything. As you can see, we have earned a total of $8,528 right here. As you can see, this was the previous month, and if we scroll all the way down, you can see that we have another pending payment for around $2,900. I really hate to show actually my payments, my earnings and stuff like that, but I know a lot of people are just skeptical about such websites, and they have the right to, and this may act as a motivational catalyst for some other to start working on these websites. Now, most of the jobs that you see here guys are just in the AI and tech spaces, and that's what Turing specializes in. It works with a lot of companies that you and I know, the likes of Nvidia, Reddit, and Disney. So we are talking about big companies right here. And enough of all of that. The first thing that you need to do once you create your account, because I'm not really about to show you how to create your account, it's just simple as put in your email, password, and that's just that, easy as it gets. The next step that you need to do once you create your account is just head to your profile. Now this is the make or break aspect of this video. Now the profile section is your essentially hub of getting approved or disapproved on some of these jobs. So first and foremost, click on personal information and upload your photo. If you have a GitHub account with some projects that you have worked on, if you are a developer or some sort of dev, you can add that in. Also add your LinkedIn as well, and make sure to add a bio of some sort right here as well. I mean, this is not mandatory, but again, like, the profile is the first thing that the hiring manager will see. So make sure to fill these information in. Now the most important tab right here is the work history, so make sure to add your work history. So if you have worked with other AI companies, then click on add position right here, add your role, the company that you worked with, and the starting date and the end date as well, and select the employment tab and the name of the project. These work histories will help you, or will help your profile get approved on some of the jobs that you will apply on later on. So make sure to add these. Make sure to add every project that you have worked on in the past. All right, so let's just delete this one. Also, you can add some of the side projects that you worked on. So doing the same, click on add a side project and add the project name, the starting date, end date, and project description, and the URL for that project too. So make sure to add the work history, the side project, and probably the second most important tab in here is the education tab. Also add your degrees right here. So click on add education right here and select the degree that you have, or the level, excuse me, of education that you got right here. Select the degree, the college, the name of the college that you graduated from, and select the start and end date. Okay, and just like that, you will add your education background. Now also, this is the third one and third most important tab right here, which is the languages tab. If you speak more than 2 languages, then this will also help you a lot getting approved on some of the jobs. So for me, I speak 3 languages, so I've added all of these, and make sure to add the level of proficiency in that language too. The last tab right here is just the certification tab. So if you got some certifications online or in real life, then you can add those right here too. All of these combined will again make or break your profile once you are trying to apply for some of the jobs on Turing. Now, before we step into the jobs and start, talking about those, please kindly drop a like and comment down below if you have any questions, and definitely subscribe to the channel because we truly need that since we are, starting this brand new channel, and we all about, giving you information, guys, and helping you out, and yeah, hopefully you guys, get some remote jobs and start making money. Now, with that out of the way, let's just, click on jobs. And in the jobs section here, you can see a lot of jobs that we have here. There is like a lot of sections, a lot of categories, and depends on what you have and your expertise, the background, you can sift through those and start applying for the, the right job for you. Now, for me, I will handpick some of these jobs, the easier ones that you can get approved on, and you can find them in our website. So the link will be in the description down below. Once you click it, you will have an article that explains everything in details, and there will be the jobs right here, the link to the jobs that I recommend you guys to apply for. So for instance, the content writer jobs right here are just some of the easiest ones to get into, and there are some shortage in those as well. So as you can see, there is this tag that says actively hiring. So if you see this tab, then that means you can apply and you have a higher chance to get approved on these jobs. So if you have any skill, any expertise in these jobs, then go ahead and apply for these as well. You will be approved in no time, and take my word for it. So again, if you have like a degree in business, you can select business and start applying for those jobs as well. If you are a designer, you can select the design category and start working in design tailored jobs. If you got a finance degree, click on finance and apply for those. But the process of applying is just super easy. Click on apply and there will be a list of questions that you need to answer, and that's that. Or click on this file right here. It will show you everything that you need to know before tackling any other job. So again, if you go to the content creating, the media and communication, again, these jobs are the easiest ones to get into. I believe these are saturated for the English one mostly, but other languages are still recruiting. So make sure to go and start applying for these jobs. Okay, start applying for these jobs, and that's pretty much it. The application process is just straightforward, linear, does not really require much explanation. Again, you will be asked a set of questions, answer those, and you will hear from the hiring manager soon. So if your background aligns, if your expertise aligns with what they are looking for, you will be hired in no time. As for the jobs, you will have a set of jobs that I really handpicked from all of those that are here that I do believe you can easily get approved on, and you can start working on those. So definitely check our blog in the description down below. And yeah, that's all there is to it, guys. We have showed you how to set up your profile, showed you the payment proof, showed you how to look for the jobs and apply for those as well. That is definitely easy, so make sure to follow along. And if you have any questions, guys, drop it in the comment section below. Again, make sure please to like and subscribe. That will help us immensely in the growth of our channel. So yeah, this was it, guys. Take care of yourselves. See you in the next video, and peace.